Okay, so I thought I'd take my own advice and just turn on the camera and record what I'm doing. And what I'm doing is um, following through with a mini course I teach on how to grow a Facebook page. This Facebook page is about cows and it is so fun. And there are 4 different ways you can get images for your Facebook page. You can use AI, ChatGPT is the AI, and to create free images, just a couple a day unless you upgrade. And then you can also use Creative Fabrica. You can use Canva, and Canva's, already got some Facebook posts that you can edit, and or you can use inside Canva. Canva has a magic edit where you can actually generate images inside of Canva. The easiest one for me is Creative Fabrica. So I went in and downloaded this image, which has commercial rights. I'm not selling, I'm just using it to market. And it is so cute. Now, what you want to do is you want to, when you market online, the things that sell and the things that get eyeballs and people to like are things that evoke emotion. And this one does. Okay. Your crazy is showing. You might want to tuck that back in. I mean, it made me laugh out loud. So I knew it was a winner. And then what I'm going to do, because I'm not only building these Facebook pages out, I'm teaching a mini course. I'm a former teacher, so I teach courses on what I learn, and then I make videos about them and package them up as courses. And, they're very affordable if you'd like to check it out. So, with that being said, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, because I like to show that I am teaching what I'm actually doing on a daily basis. So I'm going into my ClickFunnels sales page, and I'm going to go to that particular sales page. I'm going to put this on pause while I do that. Okay, so here I am inside of my ClickFunnels page, and I'm going to add a little bit to my sales page, because I absolutely adore this image. And I think I'm going to add, because once a course is selling, you don't want to tweak it. You just want to leave it alone unless you add something. And I'm adding something. So, and there's a little bug here, but I know that the image is being added here somewhere. It's just not showing up for some reason. It's just a little bug. But anyway, I'm going to add that image in here. Oops. Okay. And I could use the PNG or the JPEG, either one. And it's going to load right here. I'm going to double click on that. There we go. And just making sure I don't have another element in there not showing. And then I'm going to save it. Because what I teach in this little mini course is, taking Chat GPT and generating images like this. But you can also use Canva, Creative Fabrica to do these. And it's so much fun. You could use this for print on demand, but right now I'm just focusing on digital products, and Facebook is growing again. And I'm excited about that. So it doesn't cost me very much to just upload an image a day to my cow page. I love cows right here. It's a new page. Super fun. I've gotten, it's really grown. Of course, this is an older page I had. This is not brand new, but I've gotten 2,600 likes so far, 2,700 followers. And what you also want to do is use keywords so that people will, follow you, or they'll be able to find you in a search on Facebook. So I'm just going to put cows. I'm going to put cow page. I'm going to put I love cows, cow fan. Let's see, I'm going to put homesteading, homestead, and I'm going to hit that. Because if I go up to Facebook and I want to find a page about cows, this is where you would see your choices. Look at that. I love cows cupcakes. I love cows crochet. And then in this course that I'm teaching, I teach you how to monetize. Monetize means, how am I going to make money with this? It's going to take me a while to get to 10,000 followers for Facebook to consider me for monetization and consider paying me for views. So in the meantime, I can do a planner on cows, which I have a printable on cows. I can link to that. I can go to Amazon and link to the gazillion amounts of products about cows on Amazon. And or I could go to an affiliate program, sign up and put my link here. So that's the plan. If you want to check out the course, this is the sales page for that, and I will link to it below this video. I hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Bye now.